Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and we're pretty much heading into summer here where I live. So I think I missed spring cleaning, but this Larisom electric spin scrubber is helping me to catch up. This scrubber is awesome, and it applies so much cleaning power to really tough jobs, so I don't have to use as much elbow grease. It comes with a great selection of easy to change cleaning heads, so I can use this tool for a wide variety of cleaning jobs. I love using the larger scrub brush for cleaning the tub, which can be an awkward job for me because when I'm bending over the tub, I feel like there's certain areas that I can't really apply much pressure to when I'm just manually cleaning. I use olive oil soap and a black charcoal soap in the shower, and while I love both of these soaps, I do not love the mess that they leave behind. I find the smaller, slightly pointed scrub brush to be absolutely perfect for removing every trace of residue from these soaps. The window in our living room that we often have open was super grimy on the inside, so this same smaller pointed scrub brush was excellent for getting it spotlessly clean. We painted a little while ago, and as careful as we tried to be, we did end up with a little bit of paint splatters on the floor, but I found the smaller flat scrub brush to be just what I needed to get a lot of that off the floor. As if all of that isn't convenient enough, this scrubber also comes with an extendable handle. This worked super well for cleaning the exterior of our living room windows, which normally would have been too high for me to reach. I can think of an almost endless variety of jobs that I can use this little scrubber for. It will definitely be incorporated in my house cleaning routine from now on. And that's my point of view.